Water Audit Services for Industries by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Water is one of the world's most precious natural resources and a critical input for almost every industry. With increasing water scarcity, rising operational costs, and stricter environmental regulations, efficient water management has become a strategic priority for organizations worldwide. In today's video, we will discuss water audit services, their importance, benefits, implementation process, and how they help organizations improve efficiency, reduce costs, and achieve sustainability goals. If you are involved in manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, food processing, power generation, chemicals, textiles, hospitality, healthcare, commercial buildings, or infrastructure projects, this video will provide valuable insights. Let us begin. What is a water audit? A water audit is a systematic evaluation of how water enters, flows through, is consumed within, and exits an organization. Its objective is to understand where water is being used, how efficiently it is being utilized, where water losses occur, how water consumption can be optimized, opportunities for recycling and reuse, ways to reduce operating costs. A professional water audit provides organizations with reliable data and practical recommendations to improve overall water management. Rather than simply measuring water consumption, it focuses on identifying inefficiencies and implementing sustainable solutions. Why water audits are important? Why water audits are so much important? Water scarcity is becoming a major challenge across the world. Industries are facing increasing water tariffs, groundwater depletion, regulatory requirements, ESG reporting obligations, environmental compliance expectations, customer sustainability demands. Without understanding where water is being consumed and wasted, organizations cannot effectively manage this valuable resource. A water audit enables organizations to measure actual water consumption, detect unnecessary losses, improve operational efficiency, enhance sustainability performance, reduce environmental impact. Water conservation is no longer just an environmental responsibility, it is a business necessity. Industries that benefit from water audits. Almost every industry can benefit from water audit services. These include manufacturing industries, food processing plants, pharmaceutical industries, chemical plants, textile industries, paper mills, power plants, steel industries, automobile manufacturing, cement plants, hospitals, hotels, commercial buildings, educational institutions, residential townships, shopping malls, airports, railways, municipal water utilities, industrial parks, infrastructure projects. Every organization using water has opportunities to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Objectives of a water audit. The major objectives include understanding water consumption patterns, preparing a water balance, identifying water losses, leakage detection, evaluating process efficiency, assessing wastewater generation, studying recycling opportunities, improving water conservation, reducing operating costs, supporting environmental compliance, meeting ESG objectives, improving sustainability performance, developing long-term water management strategies. Our water audit services. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide comprehensive water audit solutions. Our services include water consumption assessment, water balance analysis, water footprint assessment, identification of water losses, leak detection studies, pipeline assessment, flow measurement, water meter verification, process water optimization, cooling water assessment, boiling water assessment, utility water analysis, waste water generation assessment, water recycling opportunities, reuse system evaluation, rainwater harvesting assessment, water conservation planning, detailed audit reports, implementation guidance, regulatory compliance support. Each audit is customized according to the organization's operations and water usage patterns. Now, water audit methodology. A professional water audit generally follows these steps. Step 1, initial discussion, understanding the facility, production process, water sources, current challenges. Step 2, collection of data, water bills, meter readings, production records, utility records, layout drawings, equipment details. Step 3, site inspection, physical inspection of all water consuming areas. Now step 4, measurement and monitoring, flow measurements, pressure checks, water consumption monitoring, leak identification. Step 5, water balance preparation, calculation of water input, water consumption, water losses, waste water generation, recycling, reuse. Then step 6, identification of improvement opportunities, finding practical solutions that reduce water consumption. Now step 7, final report, detailed recommendations, savings potential, investment requirements, implementation roadmap. Now benefits of water audit. What are these? Organizations implementing water audit recommendations experience multiple benefits: reduce water consumption, lower water bills, reduce energy costs, improve process efficiency, leakage reduction, enhance equipment performance, improve water distribution, better resource utilization, reduce wastewater generation, increase recycling, improved ESG performance, environmental compliance, reduce carbon footprint, enhance sustainability, improved operational efficiency, improved financial performance, better risk management, higher customer confidence, improved corporate reputation, long-term business sustainability. Now, why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited offers professional water audit services supported by experienced technical experts. Our approach focuses on delivering practical, measurable, and cost-effective improvements rather than simply preparing reports. Our strengths include experienced technical team, customized audit approach, industry-specific solutions, comprehensive site assessment, detailed water balance analysis, actions-oriented recommendations, implementation support, regulatory compliance guidance, ESG and sustainability alignment, professional reporting, post-audit improvement support. Whether your organization is small, medium, or a large industrial facility, we help you achieve efficient water management and sustainable business performance. Now, closing and call to action. Water is a valuable resource that deserves careful management. A professional water audit not only reduces costs and conserves water but also improves operational efficiency, environmental performance, and long-term business sustainability. If your organization is looking to optimize water consumption, identify improvement opportunities, reduce operating costs, and strengthen ESG and sustainability initiatives, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is your trusted partner. Our expert team provides comprehensive water audit services, implementation support, and practical recommendations tailored to your organization's specific requirements. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our new channel for more expert content on water audits, energy audits, environmental management, ESG, sustainability, ISO standards, compliance, inspection, and industrial best practices. Thank you for watching. Optimize every drop, improve efficiency, build a sustainable future with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. See you in the next video. Thank you.